This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to clean a mud water bottle. Empty the bottle and rinse immediately, then disassemble the cap and scrub with a bottle brush and mild dish soap. Use a mixture of baking soda and warm water for stubborn grime, let it soak for 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Air dry upside down and reassemble when fully dry to prevent mold and odors and bacteria. Start by gathering a bottle brush, mild soap, baking soda, white vinegar, and a clean towel. Rinse the inside to remove loose mud, then scrub the neck and base with a brush focusing on crevices. For tough stains, mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with warm water and add a splash of vinegar. Let fizz and soak for 10 minutes, then scrub and rinse until clear and dry thoroughly. Sanitize the bottle by filling it with a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water, shake, and let sit for 15 minutes, then rinse well. For plastic bottles prone to stains, avoid high heat and use baking soda scrubs instead of bleach. Inspect seals and threads for trapped mud and replace worn components when they no longer seal, and store the bottle open to allow air circulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.